Hello friends, got something exciting to share with you today because I just received a package in the mail and it contains the Ricoh GR3X Urban Edition, and I thought it would be nice to share a little bit of a unboxing and first impressions video with you tonight. I won't be going out to shoot with it, not in this video at least, because it's already pretty late in the evening and I should probably get some sleep. But who needs sleep if you can unbox some nice gear? So let's jump into it. I got 3 cameras, might as well do it good. One over there and one over here for the close-ups. And well, the box is nothing special except for the nice silver foil print on it. And let's jump into the box because of course that's where the magic happened. Warranty. And first of all we have the wrist strap. It's the same as the regular Ricoh GR wrist strap. The only thing that is different is that it has a blue holder for your wrist, and it still is a little bit stiff, but it looks pretty cool, and it should have, well, the same color of blue as the ring, and it has the GR embossed in it. So that's pretty nice. What else do we have? We have some packaging. And inside there, except for some books, there is a black ring as well. And what you should know about the ring system is that the Ricoh GR3X comes with a different ring mount than the Ricoh GR3. So you cannot have the same ring on your Ricoh GR3X as on your Ricoh GR3. So they are different. So that's nice to have, a black ring. What else is there? Of course, there is the camera and the battery. And what else is there? Something underneath as well. Let's have a look. It comes with a charger. So that's pretty cool. I thought the Ricoh GR3X came without a charger, but here is a charger. So that's nice. And now let's have a look at the Ricoh GR3X Urban Edition. Ooh, yeah. The first thing I noticed when I looked at the images, I thought that the surface of the gray finish would feel quite slick, but it actually is pretty. Well, you have a lot of grip, so that's very nice. I thought it would be, well, maybe a little bit when you have some sweaty hands and when it's warm and you won't have any grip, but that seems that's not the case. And I really like the midnight blue ring. It is pretty stealthy. And this is quite different than the Ricoh GR3 Urban Street Edition with the yellow ring. I don't have that, but that ring really stands out. That's not stealthy at all. This ring is really, well, quite stealthy. And besides the exterior, there are some minor tweaks inside the camera. I already made a video about the exact differences between the GR3X Urban Edition and the regular GR3X. And all the software tweaks will be available on a firmware update for the Ricoh GR3X as well. So if you use a regular GR3X, you will miss nothing but the cool looks, which is of course an opinion. But from the looks of it, I think it is really cool. So let's start it up. There we go. First setup, English. It is of course the 22nd of March. Here, let me show you. Right there. Right there. March 22nd of 2022. Time 19:51. So you know when I'm filming this. There we go. The Ricoh GR3X Urban Edition. And when you turn it off, it has this cool Urban Edition image. I like that they made the GR logo right on the bottom here black. And if we compare it to the regular Ricoh GR, then I think it looks, well, it looks a little bit fancier. I think the black edition is also very good looking. Of course, this is more stealthy. This stands out a little bit more, but I do like the style. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the GR3X Urban Edition. Is it just a gimmick? Should Ricoh just stick with the original black version, or do you like that they come out with these special limited edition unique cameras? I really like it. I kind of like having a camera that's a little bit customized or that feels, well, a little bit unique. But some people also have the opinion that you should just stick with the regular black camera, don't change your winning team and keep it stupid simple. Doe maar normaal, dat is gek genoeg, as we say in the Netherlands. So let me know in the comments below, how do you feel about this camera? Personally, I cannot wait to go out and shoot with it, so expect a video very, very soon. That's it for this quick unboxing and first impressions. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and commenting. It really means a lot. It is pretty hard to grow on this saturated photography YouTube business, but I'm trying to do my best. So thank you for the support, and I'll see you next week in a new video. Peace.